Hello guys, UV here. Welcome back to another episode of Ratchet Deadlocked. This might be the second to last episode, I'm pretty sure about that. But we're just gonna get right into it. Ow.
My friends, it is a black day for Dreadzone fans across the galaxy. Ace Hardlight, champion exterminator and respected philanthropist, was brutally cut down by the maniac contestant known as Ratchet, aka the Butcher of Bogon.
Fans reacted to Ace's defeat with shock and outrage. Boo! We hate you, Ratchet. You cheated.
Ratchet is a malicious criminal. He must be punished.
Bowing to public pressure, Gleam and Vox acted quickly to address the issue.
Fans of Dreadzone, I share your pain for the loss of the mighty Ace Hardlight. I encourage you all to express your grief and sympathy by purchasing this limited edition Ace Hardlight Memorial Action Figure on sale now for only 299 volts.
A Vox News investigation later revealed that Ratchet used banned performance-enhancing drugs.
In accordance with Dreadzone Regulation C6-5/9, Paragraph 2, Ratchet has been sentenced to meet his fate on the Gauntlet of Doom! This special event will be broadcast live tomorrow night only on Dreadzone!
Oh. Kind of tonight. But yeah, here we go. Let's just get right into it. We got our guys, we have all of our upgrades for our robots. Merc and Green, are they ready? Are Merc and Green ready? Is this louder than I think it is? Yeah, it is. Okay. And that's it, guys. Last paint job. Alright, let's hurry up and get to the ghost station. The ghost station. Here we go.
Travel to the Ghost Station battle course is now open.
Here we go, baby. This is our moment. Let's shine. Get it? Because you can see the shine. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's a pretty creepy looking place. I'm not gonna lie. I even get freaking goosebumps from it. Right.
Do not worry, Ratchet.
Another wrench upgrade.
I will make sure you get out alive. My nav grid shows an abandoned supply ship on the other side of the station. There is a light rail nearby that will take you to the station's core.
Right, here we go.
I will give you more information when you get there.
Oh, and they're all ghosts, if you didn't realize. These are all the people we've killed in the past. Isn't that amazing? Not really, but okay. There will not be a sixth video. You guys probably already know that, but there won't be. That's because I want to give a little bit of time, because I currently need to actually purchase Size Matters and obtain it, but I currently don't have it. So I'm just gonna give a little bit of time. So I'm not gonna, do anything tomorrow. Did we upgrade the flail all the way? Yeah, we did, baby. What should we work on now? Maybe this. There we go. He's gone and out. Gone and out. Down and out. I'm already on it. It's kind of cool. Woo! I like the music for this place. It's pretty cool. I don't really have that much memory of this place, actually. Alright, just turn it on. Turn on the thingamabobber. Woo! that freaking mine. Okay. Oh.
Look, we know this is going to end with Ratchet splattered halfway from here to Florano. Why don't we skip it and head back to my condo for a cocktail and a dip in the jacuzzi?
No, I prefer to stay here where the real action is.
Dang, he just got turned down big time. Here we go. More enemies. Level 5 on the Arbiter. Arbiter. There we go. Looks like we are nearing the end. Maybe just a couple more notes. This place kind of reminds me of Stygia. That little middle area, I don't know how. It just does. Boo, I see a ghost. Oh, excuse me. Ooh. Bolt the crank, or crank the bolt. Oh wow, it takes me off. Here we go. Yeah. Woo!
You know, I was just bluffing
Oh.
earlier. I knew Ratchet would pull it off. So, about the...
Yeah, he ain't not getting
Oh,
the
isn't
funkity
that a
funk
shame?
today.
Team Darkstar's only escape has been cut off. Wonder how they'll get past this one.
They are on to us, Ratchet. The red zone has activated a force field blocking the supply ship. However, if you can capture the control nodes in that quadrant, I believe I can override the force field.
No, I think Stygia is harder than this place. Not gonna lie, I'm getting through this pretty fast. Ooh, level 6 on the mini turret launcher. Hello. Just gonna speed past this. Okay, we only got 3 left, so might as well do this one on the inside first, because that's the next one. And then we'll go across the swing shot and do that one. Oh, I didn't get to use my obsidian blade. They are on to us, Ratchet. Gosh, that was so bad. Well, these zombies kind of don't make sense because you don't really need them. But, because, you know, zombies are already dead anyway. I'll stop talking. Oh, wow, okay, just hit me and then I'll get all my health taken away right away. I got you, Holmes, I got you. Alright, now we need to go back, I believe? Yeah, I think we do. Unless there's another way out of here? No. Alright. Where is it? Is it in here? Yuck, it is. Yuck, it is. Okay. Shield link him, bro. You his home dog, aren't you? Alright.
Run, Ratchet, run!
Sure. Owie. Is he even running, or is he just like kind of jogging? Uh-oh. 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 This is why this is the most OP weapon in the game. I mean, seriously. Put him on ice, baby. Here we go. Ha! Dodged ya. Ha! Dodged ya. Ha! Dodge ya. Alright, let's go. Down, down, down. Alright, I believe we were almost done. No, we are not close to done.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Force field started. In that gears, there is a 6-phase theta glyph encrypted force field blocking your escape. I am unable to crack the encryption from here. However, if you destroy the encryption computers that control the force field, that might short it out.
Sir, request permission to begin hacking.
Always shield link him. I don't know what you're doing, not shield linking him.
2 orbs to go, sir. Almost there, sir. 1 more orb and that
Ooh.
door's open.
Uh-oh. One more orb. Where's the orb? Oh, the door's already open. And the where? The door is open. What? Woo! Sharpshooter. Okay, that was probably like, get a collateral. I don't know why you did that. Freak am I doing? Kill 20 enemies with the fusion rifle. In a row or not in a row? Because I think I just did it in a row, honestly. Level 7, baby. That's good, that's good.
This could be a setup, sir. Last thing he needs to get killed in some tragically ironic way.
Ooh. Tragically ironic. Wow, that's always how I wanted to die. Thanks, Grain. Thanks. God, Grain. I just get it. Steal the hover ship. We're about to steal it. What's over here that I missed? Oh no, I still got it. Says I'm missing something. Well, I think y'all missing something, sweetie. First time using the gravity boots, I'm pretty sure. Let's just go in here. We're gonna have to use the arbiter. Really? Door. Are you kidding me? Door freaking closes. What do you have? What do I have to do? Destroy? Yeah. There we go. Challenge complete. Destroy the ghost. This is it, guys. That's true. Boxes or something.
It looks like it's all over. Or is it?
No, got destroyed.
Ratchet, we must make sure they can never use the station again. Destroy the station's outer turrets
There
and
it
guard the
is.
power cores. Then
Destroy
destroy the
those.
central core and bring the station down. We will deal with
I
the boss
destroyed
when you
2 of them,
return.
apparently.
Parents with impressionable children may want to turn off their holo sets now.
Children with impressionable parents may want to pretend they're watching the living robot.
Alright, we got one right here, apparently. It's under this. Okay. This is the hard thing. It could be above you or under you. I think this is one right here. No, that means it's above me. Great. What the hell? Alright. This level kind of sucks a lot. Alright, I'll just come back, you know. Wait. There's some right here. I see ya, I see ya. You know smart. You can't hide from me. I'm Ratchet. And the prize goes to you. Ratchet and the middle guy. Ah, that brings back memories. Just blow up everything. Okay. Here we go. Oh, here's more. It says there's some right here. I don't see any, to be honest. Alright. Okay, we just have to destroy those things. Those turrets. I'm pretty sure we just gotta destroy these boxes, actually. Where's more boxes? This is probably gonna be the longest challenge I've done. It says I only need 9 of them. It says there's one right here. I don't see one. It's probably the turret then. See what happens if I destroy the turret. Nothing happens, but the star does go away. I just need to destroy these boxes. Last 3. I gotta destroy turrets too. I freaking knew it. I knew I had to destroy the turrets. So many turrets. Oh crap, it just went first person for a second. Oh, they're all over the place. Here's one. Here's a couple, I think. Come on, no more turrets. No more turrets. Yeah, turrets go away. Turrets go away. We must destroy the ghost station. Okay, 2 more, baby. There we go.
Ratchet. Now, in order to shut down the central core, you must destroy... You did it, Ratchet. Now, come meet me back at our containment area.
Alright.
I have a plan.
Alright, we'll go back to the containment area in the next episode, which I hope will be the final episode. So, I'll see everybody in the next episode. My name's MGV.